Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Burns, and I'm here to answer the question, can you return to golf after rotator cuff repair? In a recent study in 2023, 3/4 of patients were able to return to golf. So when we look at the golf swing, you can see it's a pretty shoulder-intensive maneuver to hit a golf ball. So having a good rotator cuff really can help your golf game. In this study, the factors that affected return to golf included years of golfing, so the people who'd been golfing longer were more likely to go back to the sport. Younger patients, younger golfers were more likely to go back to sport after rotator cuff repair. Men were actually almost 7 times more likely in this study to go back to golf than women were, and tissue quality played a role. What do we mean by tissue quality? Well, in this video on the left, you can see that the tissue quality is thin. So as I'm grasping it with that metal grasping device, the tissue is thin. There are layers. So there's an undersurface layer. So it's delaminated or has multiple layers. So that tissue quality is not as good. On the right, we see thicker tissue quality. So here you can see the tissue is thicker. It's coming over in one sheet. There's less of that delamination or layering that we see in the tissue quality on the left side. And what we know is that these patients with thicker tissue quality have a 2.6 times better likelihood that they're going to go back to the same driving distance or even better driving distance after rotator cuff repair. So if you've got good tissue quality at the time of surgery, your golf game should be the same or maybe even get a little better. So to answer the question, can you return to golf after rotator cuff repair? Definitely. You can definitely return to golf after rotator cuff repair. 3/4 of patients get back to golf, and a lot of patients will get back to the same level or sometimes a little bit better driving distance depending on their tissue quality at the time of surgery. So if you enjoy golf and you've got a rotator cuff tear, you should think about it. It can make a difference.